Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create stunning curls with the Dyson airwrap. To start, I am applying L'Oreal Paris Mousse, which is not only helps make your curls last longer but also offers crucial heat protection. After applying the mousse, make sure to detangle your hair. This step is key for getting smooth, even curls without any frizz. Taking the time to detangle properly will give you a flawless finish. Now that your hair is prepared, let's move on the curling. I am using the right barrel of the Dyson airwrap. Make sure to follow the arrows to curl into the correct direction. Hold each section on hot mode for 20 seconds. Then switch to cold mode for another 20 seconds to set those curls perfectly. Continue this process for all sections, just like that. You have got beautiful bouncy curls that will last all day. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more hair tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye.